How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice little 63 Impala, done in its factory burgundy metallic, black vinyl top, black interior. Super cool car. It's an older restoration, done probably 10 years ago. All the bumpers were re-chromed, all the trim around the hood and headlights have all been replaced. Car's nice and straight down the sides. All the side trim was replaced when they did the restoration. Got a set of vintage Kreger SS's and the BFGs. Just good look for this car. All the tail lights and the trim on the back all been redone. Looks excellent. Rear bumper was also re-chromed. It's got the dual antennas. It's just a cool car. You don't see a lot of 63 Impalas. See how nice it is down the sides. It's got the dual mirrors. It's all been updated with power front disc brakes. It's got the updated power steering with the power steering gearbox instead of the slave cylinder. It's 300 horse, 327. Edelbrock intake and carb. All this front suspension had been gone through. It's all painted nice under the hood. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got a posi rear. All the interior looks real nice. Original dash. Headliner's all been replaced, nice and tight. Real nice. All the seat covers look real good. They've all been redone. Carpet. It's got a rear tilt wheel. It's got power front seat. All the jams look real nice. They dynamite the whole car. It's real tight, quiet. It's got the factory jack spare. It's got the fender skirts. It's got a amp with a kicker in the back. It's got a AM/FM CD stereo with remote mounted in the dash, in the glove box. Got tissue dispenser, pretty cool. Got the deluxe floor mats. Thing fires right up. Factory ram horn exhaust in the duals. It's a real good running motor in it. And with the overdrive, you can cruise this thing down the freeway. Just have a ton of fun with it. Go to all your car shows. It's got the LED tail lights. Just a cool car there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.